Here's how you can make
ultimate pizza
from Jimmy Neutron.
I want pepperoni and garlic and onions and anchovies.
And peanut butter and clams and hot fudge. Don't knock it till you try it.
Okay, one ultimate pizza coming up. Gentlemen, let the gorging begin.
I can smell that peanut butter. Okay, surprisingly, this isn't nasty. It kind of reminds me of Peter Griffin's card panini. It's not like it's not edible. It's just that the peanut butter is so overpowering that it's the only thing you really taste. I was all in it with Sheen. I love anchovies on pizza, but then as soon as Carl opened his mouth, actually I like Carl's idea of the clams because I do like a white clam pizza, but the peanut butter and the chocolate fudge, it ain't it. I tried it. Here's my rating, Carl. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna give that maybe a 2.9 out of 10. But if it was Sheen's pizza, I'm pretty sure that'll be like a high 8.
Fudge anchovy, my favorite!